How to make the appearance of Google to dark mode. So if you want to change the appearance of Google to dark mode, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So if you open up to your Google over here, and if you tap over the settings option at the right upper corner, you won't be able to see any of the settings over here for changing the appearance to dark. So the thing is, you cannot change the dark mode of Google from over here. For that, you just have to open up to a browser or Google Chrome, and here you have to open up to Google. So this is the home page or the Google over here. If you scroll down to the bottom, here is the dark theme option, which is right now off. Just tap over there, and with a single touch it will be automatically changed to black. You can see over here. So this is how easily you can change the appearance of Google to dark mode. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.